Okay, this is your homework for tonight. It says on here, Chapter 3.4, Classwork Homework. Okay, we finished the first one in class. Okay, the second one here is identify the number which represents the y-intercept, the b from the linear equation, that is -4. Okay, the y-intercept, remember, is an intercept on a y at -4, which is down here. So y-intercept. What is the coordinate for the y-intercept? They want to know the coordinate. The coordinate is 0, -4. Label the coordinate on the graph, which is already there. Okay, what is the rate of change or slope? We're going to know the rate of change. The rate of change, you can use the word slope if you want to shorten it, is, that's the number attached to the variable. So this number here is the invisible 1 right there. So the rate of change is 1/1 attached to x. Okay, so that's 1/1. Okay, so use the slope to explain how these points are correct, because your slope, the slope is 1/1. You rise 1 and you run 1 to the right. Rise over run. Okay, so from there you rise 1, run 1 to the right, right there. Okay, rise 1, run 1 to the right, right there. Rise 1, run 1 to the right. And you got those dots and you connect them. There goes your answer. Okay? How do you describe the y-intercept on the graph? Okay, the y-intercept is on the y-axis. Or whichever way you want to describe this blue dot. The purple dot, I mean. Okay, what is the slope? Remember, the slope is the same thing as rate of change. So the slope is -2/3, means down 3, down 2, I mean, and right 3. What is the y-intercept? The y-intercept is 6. Y-intercept is 6. And the coordinate is 0, 6. Okay, graph it. Okay, graph using slope and y-intercept. Okay, so y-intercept is at 6, 0, 6, right there. It's your starting point. Now your slope is down 2, because it's -2. So from there you go down 2, 1, 2, and right 3. 1, 2, 3. So from there you go down 2, 1, 2, right 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The next one, what is the slope? The slope is 4/5. What does it mean? It means rise 4 and run 5 to the right. Bye. See you later. Okay, you guys want to? So, you're welcome. What is the y-intercept? The y-intercept is this -2, the only number left. Oops, sorry. This -2, the only number left. Y-intercept is -2. Right down here. What is the coordinate? And the coordinate is 0, -2. And let's graph that using slope. Okay, remember the slope means to run 5 and rise 4, run 5. Rise because it's a positive. So from this point right here, you rise 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rise 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then so you run out of room, you can always go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The opposite way, and make sure the lines are lined up and you got a nice straight line right there. And there you go. Okay? And graph this. Okay, at least we don't have to answer all those questions, huh? Okay, first we start at the y-intercept at -2. So the y-intercept is at -2 right there. That's called letter B. We give the, instead of writing out the whole word y-intercept, in math we call it B. Okay, and here's the slope. The slope is 1, invisible 1 there, or rate of change. Your rate of change is 1 over 1. And in math, they give it, instead of writing rate of change or slope, they give it the letter M. So rate of change is 1 over 1. So from here, you go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. Okay, down 1, right 1. Okay, so here's the y-intercept is 1. Okay, y-intercept is 1 right here. And then your slope is 2 over 1. That means because it's positive, it goes rise 2, run 1 to the right. Okay, so from that point, you rise 1, 2, run 1 to the right. Rise 2, 1, 2, run 1 to the right. Rise 2, run 1 to the right. Rise 2, run 1 to the right. Down 2, 1 left. Okay?